So when we look at the comprehensive education of a student, what we do really well here in St. Vrain is provide students with a strong foundation, robust academics coupled with incredible work-based experiences. And that's exactly what Opportunity Now has provided for us, a way to elevate the number of opportunities that we provide students so they're ready and they're going to be successful day one.
Everybody knows that IT skills are in huge demand. And the fastest way to meet that demand are through these certifications from corporations.
I want to do industrial design in college, so like learning how to design different products and create things to help people. So it's really nice having this experience because I already know how to work machines that I'll be using in the future.
But when I think about the impact that we're providing our students, I'm really taking a look at the difference between our program and traditional teacher prep programs, which have been around for numbers of years. We are coupling robust work-based experiences for our students, so much so that when they reach their bachelor's degrees, they actually have 3 times the number of hours in the classroom. They're ready to go on day one. And that's the competitive advantage we're providing.
What's really neat is that we're enrolling students in a program that they're interested in, and we're letting them go as quickly as they want through that coursework, and they're supercharged by a mentor relationship. And it's not just that relationship so that they earn the certification. The mentor is also helping them with real-world work experiences, with job shadows, with general career advice, and it's just magical. I couldn't be happier. It literally, this is opening up doors and horizons and futures, not just someday, but Monday.